Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky car issues in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling the P0306 error code, a common problem that can leave you scratching your head, especially if you're dealing with modern vehicles in 2025. If your check engine light is on and this code popped up on your OBD2 scanner, stick around. We've got the meaning, symptoms, causes, and solutions all lined up for you. First off, let's decode what P0306 actually means. This diagnostic trouble code indicates a misfire in cylinder 6 of your engine. In simple terms, it's like one of the cylinders in your car's heart isn't firing properly, which can lead to poor performance and potential damage if ignored. Now, what are the symptoms you might notice? You'll probably feel a rough idle when you're stopped at a light, experience a noticeable loss of power while accelerating, or even smell unburnt fuel. Other signs include increased fuel consumption and, of course, that persistent check engine light staring back at you. If you're driving a 2025 model, these issues might be more pronounced due to advanced engine management systems. So, why does this happen? The causes can vary, but common culprits include worn-out spark plugs or wires, a faulty ignition coil specific to cylinder 6, problems with the fuel injector, or even vacuum leaks in the intake manifold. In newer cars from 2025, issues with the engine's electronic control unit, ECU, software could also play a role, so it's worth checking for any recalls or updates. Luckily, there are solutions to get you back on the road. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and reset it after fixes. Then, inspect and replace the spark plugs and ignition components in cylinder 6. These are often the easiest and cheapest fixes. If that doesn't do the trick, check for fuel delivery problems or leaks, and consider taking it to a professional mechanic for a thorough diagnosis. Remember, attempting repairs yourself requires the right tools and knowledge to avoid making things worse. In conclusion, understanding the P0306 error code empowers you to handle it proactively. Always prioritize safety and, if in doubt, consult a certified technician. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.